Well, in the run-up to the election, equity markets have given a very good return. But more importantly, if you look at the nature of the performers, you could very well have bet on these sectors at the start of 2019 and still gained or have had the same kind of gains as YTD. So look at the larger space, which is BSE 200. Power and power related pockets did really well. You had Cummins doing 92% gain, and that's the best performer in the BSE 200. But some stocks like NHPC and PSUs were not far behind. Speaking of PSUs, they've had a really good run in 2024 YTD, from an NHPC to a HAL to a BHEL to an Oil India. Some very good performances by PSUs. CapEx related themes came to the fore, and maybe because of numbers that likes of ABB and Siemens have posted, but these stocks have had a really good run even after their Q4 results, but before that too. So ABB is clocked in 77% returns YTD, Siemens about 79%, so pretty strong showing by those as well. We know that the government has put its might behind ensuring that the telecom sector doesn't become just a duopoly. It has resulted in gains, if not for Vodafone, then at least for Indus Towers, and that is depicting the kind of moves that have happened. Last but not the least, some of the fintech plays have come into the fore this year. So Zomato, PB Fintech, and that's probably a result of everything that is there in our hands. UPI, on our phone, we're able to pay, we're able to transact seamlessly. The internet power of India has been quite spectacular, and it's showing in stock market gains in the larger universe. But by the way, it's not just the larger universe, the mid-sized universe have had some very good gains as well. So if you look at the top 750 stocks, real estate makes its presence felt. The likes of Purvankara, the likes of Ganesh Housing have done really well. PSUs don't stay far behind there. Cochin Shipyard, for example, with a 97% gain, has done really well. There are stocks like Hitachi Energy India, GE T&D, related to power and transmission space, which have also done really well. KPI Green is up about 95% as well. So no surprise there that some of these stocks have done really well YTD in the period, in the run-up to the election.